In this video, we're going to be learning about writing exponential expressions in expanded form. Did you know that exponents are just a quick way to show repeated multiplication? We're going to be using parentheses to represent multiplication in this video. And so I have an example here where joy is the base and 2 is the exponent. So as you can see, joy squared is the same as joy times joy, where the parentheses here represents the multiplication. The parentheses in between both of the joys is where the multiplication is taking place. So let's take a look at this first example. Write the exponential expression in expanded form using parentheses to represent multiplication. So if we have 6 as the base and 3 as the exponent, so we say that as 6 cubed or 6 to the third power, we would represent that in expanded form by putting 6 in parentheses 3 times. So that is the same as 6 times 6 times 6. That would be our answer. So let's take a look at example 2. Write the exponential expression in expanded form using parentheses to represent multiplication. So here we have -6 in parentheses. -6 is the base and 3 is the exponent. So this is the same as -6 cubed or -6 to the third power. So if we were wanting to represent this in expanded form, we would put -6 in parentheses 3 times. So this is the same as -6 times -6 times -6. That would be your answer. Okay, let's take a look at example 3. Write the exponential expression in expanded form using parentheses to represent multiplication. So here we have x cubed or x to the third power. So once again, x is the base, 3 is the exponent. And so all we would do to represent this in expanded form is we would put x in parentheses 3 times. So x cubed is the same as x times x times x. All right, lastly, let's look at example 4. Write the exponential expression in expanded form using parentheses to represent multiplication. So here we have in parentheses 6x. And so 6x is the base and 3 is the exponent. And so this can be said 6x cubed, or it can be said as 6x to the third power. So to represent this in expanded form, all you would do is write 6x 3 times in parentheses. So 6x to the third power is the same as 6x times 6x times 6x. That would be your answer.